No, you're not dreaming. Welcome to the south side of Weston incredible property with 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, an outdoor entertainment area, and oh yeah, your heated in-ground pool and spa. This is 50 Byron Road. Originally built in 1916, this gorgeous property is an esteemed member of the Weston Historical Commission. Surrounded by history, 50 Byron offers classic charm, but it doesn't mean you have to miss out on that modern lifestyle. Completed in 2023, this addition includes a sprawling eat-in kitchen with pantry, a home office, primary suite, and a 3-car garage. Do you like hosting dinner parties or large family events? Check out this dining room. With a table that can accommodate up to 10 or more, you're gonna be the most popular host in town. One of the unique features about this property is the amount of parking. You got 5 garage spots, enough to put all your cars and increase your car collection. Located directly off a 2-bay garage, this multifunctional space can be set up as a beautiful entertainment room, or it could be shut off and accommodate in-laws or guests. But the real entertaining space is the backyard. Check out this space. It has it all, from a grill area, dining, a fire pit, lounge area, and your in-ground pool and spa. It will have your family reveling in the backyard all summer long. Oh, I almost forgot. You cannot beat this location. Only 20 minutes to downtown Boston. See you in the city.